Well, trip number 2. Back on the water with the Gru out at Sandheads Light Station again. Pokerface is my guest again today. We're trying to get the rods in the water with an anchovy and a lure, and they kept going off and catching pinks. So we're actually trying to target spring, so it's a bit of a pain in the neck, but fishing is fishing. We're catching fish, so it's all good. I bought myself a new GoPro instead of using my son's. I got the GoPro Hero 11 Black or whatever it's called. So as you can see, we kind of got away from all the boats. They're really congregated out by the mouth there, so we're kind of getting away from them. And just trying to get the rods in the water, trying to look for some springs. So nothing yet, but it was at a low tide when we launched. It's going to a high tide now, so I'm hoping that will bring on a strike for the springs. So we got one pink in the box now, a big one, big humpy one that Boj wanted to keep, so we put that in the box. And yeah, so as soon as we get a spring on, I'll start filming again. Oh, got a fish on. It's probably a pink.
Both sides?
Not yet. Not yet. Let's see. Oh, you sitting there?
Huh?
We got longer leaders on today, so we got to be a little strategic how we get these without tangling around the downriggers. So I'm just going to turn out to that side so you can decide what you want to do with it.
Okay, get the net, go behind me, and...
Oh, you want to keep it?
No.
We'll just bring it up to the boat and we'll release it. Can you release it? You want me to take the rod and then you can release it. Grab the flasher. Oh, grab the flasher.
Huh?
Grab the flasher. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, now we got the line. You want the pliers? Oh, well, that's a good one. Holy smokes.
Hey, let go of this one. That one.
Oh yeah, I think that's a spring. Oh yeah, it's a peeling line. Yep, that's a spring. Oh yeah.
Oh well.
Yep. This one's a spring, I think.
Is that?
The way it peeled line, I'm pretty sure.
Ow.
Yeah, it's come to the surface right away too.
Where are you?
Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, he's coming.
Better?
He's pulling pretty good. It might just be a big male pink, maybe, but kind of feels like it. Okay, just kill the motor. Yeah, it's just a pink. Just a pink. Boy, he peeled the line pretty good.
The big one?
Not too bad. Can't see him. Yeah. Okay. We don't just let him go. Okay, you take the rod. I'll let him go. All right. What a problem. Trying to catch springs and always landing into pinks. We've upgraded the run size.
Take the fucking thing.
Well, we got it in the boat here. It wasn't a spring, it was just a pink that was just going crazy. Anyway, not a huge one, but we'll put it in the box. Well, we got a late start today, but we managed to make it out. We get out here till what time we get out here? Like almost 3:30, 4 o'clock, yeah, something like that. Catching tons of pinks, but we are targeting springs. We're using an anchovy on one and a true roll lure on another. And actually, I think the true roll lure is outfished. The anchovy. So coming to a tide line now. So we're gonna try and follow that, go in and out of it, and hopefully we can hook into a spring. It's pretty busy out there. Kind of keeping away from the crowds. Here's a bit of a tide line here, so I'm going to try this, see if we can hook into a spring. haven't been able to film much because the rods kept going off. So anyway, which isn't a bad thing, of course. It's awesome, but they're pinks. So I think we got 3 pinks in the box, and we're just gonna kind of maybe keep 1 more pink so we can save in case we get into springs, because you're allowed 2 springs each over 62 centimeters. So it was pretty windy yesterday, which was opening day for springs. Couldn't make it out, just way too windy. It was like 18, 19 knots out here most of the day, so I just decided, nope, I'm not going to try that. So this morning it was a bit windy too, 11 to 12 knots-ish, and then it calmed down to about 6 when I left home. So now it's hardly anything out here, maybe 2 knots, 3 knots if that. So always great to get on the water. My good friend Pokerface, aka Wojo, his real name is Chris, and big shout out to him. He's been my friend for like 40 plus years, I think. Oh yeah, long time. Anyway, back when they made dirt almost. So yeah, big shout out to, his nickname is Wojo. When we worked with him, we used to call him Wojo, so we still call him Wojo. Anyway, but the poker face was just a joke. So he plays a lot of poker, and if you ever see him in a tournament with you, you might as well just give up and go home, because he's going to take all your money. So yeah, here we are, and kind of on that tide line there a little bit. Let's see if we can hook into something. I'm surprised the rods haven't gone up in pinks yet. So we started on a low tide, so it's going to a high tide now. And my favorite time to fish is going to the high tide. Yeah, the high flood tide. That the first 2 hours, or the 2 hours before, 2 hours after, that 4-hour period. That's my favorite time to fish out here. I don't know. Everyone's got a different opinion. I find that's the best fishing out here usually. So yeah, all good. Another day. I'm gonna try to head out tomorrow, and I think I'll bring my son with me, and hopefully we can get some filming in. He wants to catch a bunch of pinks because he wants to smoke them. So we'll, I'm sure we won't have trouble finding them tomorrow, as long as the winds cooperate. We should be able to make it out. That didn't take too long. You can see it, the rod is bouncing. Just went through that tide line. Probably another pink, just because it's a lighter action. Usually if it's a spring, you can hear that real singing. Zing! You take a whole bunch of line, and yeah, that's probably just a smaller pink. So we'll get Wojo, or maybe to reel that in, because I'm tired of reeling them in. I want to reel springs in. So I think it's his turn to do that one. Anyway, yeah, all good. Surprised the other one hasn't gone off yet. That one's got the anchovy on it. It's funny, the lure's out fishing the anchovy. That's amazing. Okay,
no, I did actually check.
Yeah, we got checked by the DFO today, which is the Department of Fisheries and Oceans. A couple of nice fellas, making sure everybody's doing the right thing out here. And he's having a look at our catch, our 3 pink salmon.
Awesome, thank you so much. Yeah, looks good.
Yep.
All right, take care, guys.
All right, thank you very much.
See ya.
Good luck.
Have a good day, and yeah, thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
See you next time. That was pretty cool. It's good to see that, you know, people are keeping an eye on us out here, and making sure that everything's legal, because there is some stuff that goes on out here that's not legal, obviously, and so hat off to them. Thanks to them. Appreciate it. Yeah. Actually, we're getting close to a zone where you're not allowed to fish for salmon, so they were kind of watching us, and then we got fish on, and we kind of drifted into that zone, so they came over just to let us know that we're in that zone. And so now we know. I didn't realize we were that close to it, but yeah, that's good to know. So thanks, guys. They checked us all out, and we were all good. Well, I thought we lost it, but we didn't. Small pink, female probably. So we'll get it bunked and in the box. Good job. Oh, doesn't like his face showing. Anyway, all good. Looks like most of the guys have gone home for the evening. I think it's about getting close to 7 o'clock in the evening out here. So it looks a little more boating friendly out there. It was pretty busy out there when we came. So looking better now. I think we're gonna head in soon too. Hopefully it won't be a gong show at the boat launch. Pokerface cleaning some fish. There he is. And guess what? We got a fish on. Oh, doggone it. Oh, I guess I'll look after this one. Oh, maybe it's gone. Yeah, I think it's gone. That's good. Got off. That's good. Yeah, got off. That's the joy of these barbless hooks. They get up pretty easy. Is that one a male?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just gonna clean all the fish. It's a nice one. I only want one smaller one because they're coming out tomorrow. So yeah. Another great day fishing. We haven't run into any springs yet. I don't know how much longer we're gonna be out here. Maybe another half an hour or something. Not sure. But yeah, turned out really calm, which is awesome. So most of the boats are gone, so that's good. So hopefully it's not too busy at the boat launch when we get there tonight. Oh, got another one on?
That one?
Nope.
Oh, this one.
Still there, you lose this one.
It's not fun.
Still there. Okay, I'll just turn out to your side. And then, let's see. Was this the anchovy rod? I can't remember.
Oh,
Oh, it's the lure one. Oh, yeah, there's like another pink. You gotta... Yeah, keeping that one?
I don't know.
Well,
What am I gonna do with it?
up to you.
I don't care.
Well, we'll have to release it then if you don't want it. Up to you.
You want it or not?
Nope.
I got enough work to do today.
You gotta reel it in more. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I gotta give him a hand. Now I got one on. So more or less had a double header. So, like I said, it's pretty good today. Haven't been able to find any springs. So maybe tomorrow. Just so many pinks here. It's hard to get the springs to bite your line. The pinks are so voracious. So this is the anchovy. Let's see. Oh, that one jumped over there. Yeah, so they figure there's about 20 million of these pinks coming back to the razor system. So that's why there's so many here right now.
Still got it?
Oh yeah, it's still there. I think the bulk of them we've been catching are males. So, anyway, I'm gonna let this one go. Unless you want it. Nope. Okay. Well, guess what? Pokerface got himself a spring. Yeah.
Ooh, nice size.
Yeah, probably about 10 pound, 12 pound.
No.
Yeah.
Let's see.
We'll get it in the boat and we'll give you a better picture of that once we get it in the boat here. But awesome! End of the day spring. Yes. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Yes, happy campers for sure.
That was way too.
And that was on the True Roll lure. I'll show you that once we get it in the boat. So there she is. First spring in the boat of the year. Finally, we've been out here, oh, well, since this afternoon. I think it's after 7 now. And yeah, looks nice and fat. So that's the lure that's called a True Roll. Actually, a guide gave it to me, a fishing guide. He says I should try this down where I fish. Yeah, because he was up in the northern coast there, around Bella Coola. So that thing has outperformed the anchovy actually. So I'm trying to see if I can get more of them. But waiting for a reply from the company because I don't know where you can buy them. I haven't found them anywhere. But I'm just gonna give this away. Here's the scale. You wanna put it on there? I'll open up my deal for you. Just get it right where my finger is here. Okay, got it? Yep. Oh, had it. Let's put it down. Yeah. you're gonna have to zero it. Hang on. So it looks like it's about a 13-pounder. So pretty thick fish though. Nice looking. We'll get it opened up and we'll tell you if it's a white, red, or the marble spring. Here, you hold it. Good job. How many springs have you caught now?
I don't know, 3?
3. In the boat. Something like that anyway.
Yeah, something like that.
Yes. There's bigger ones out here. We just have to find them. But yeah, kind of a good way to end the day for sure. Yeehaw. Okay. Pokerface is starting to open it up. And it looks like it's a red. Yeah, see, we tie a rope around the gill and do something on the boat just in case it slips out of the splash well here. That would really suck because these fish don't float. See the roe in there? You can see it nice. Oh, beautiful salmon roe. Boy. Yeah. Okay, let's inside the cavity. Let's have a looky. Oh, it's a white. Oh no, red. Or what is that? Hard to tell. Looks white. I think it's a white. Yeah. Anyway, we caught a spring. Very good. Very, very good. So, good job. Didn't really kind of feel like a spring at first, but it's definitely a spring. So, good for sure. All right.
Is it white? Yeah, it's a white.
Yeah, white spring.